can't show y'all what's underneath that engine, underneath that hood. You might get scared if I show you. So this is T-Rex, the one and only fastest street car in the world. As long as you dress like me, we can get it on. Ain't nothing but a little street car. It'll do your job. But this is a short little video. I normally drive on the street sometime, but I cheat the street. Let y'all notice I ain't got no tag on the back, but I gotta breeze them up once in a while. But that's T-Rex. Y'all a picture, but now y'all know how he sounds. Finding out.